Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In part 1, we discuss what it means to be a digital nomad and why this lifestyle is booming. Today, in part 2, we are diving into some of the top countries which are winning the hearts of digital nomads worldwide. Whether you're dreaming of a tech-savvy urban hub or a sun-soaked tropical paradise, there's a spot for everyone. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about Estonia. Known as one of the world's most digitally advanced countries in the world, Estonia has truly embraced the remote work revolution. With its innovative e-residency program and a dedicated digital nomad visa, Estonia offers a seamless blend of modern tech and old world charm. Imagine working in a city where you can scroll through medieval streets by day and connect with a thriving tech community by night. Estonia's excellent internet infrastructure and business-friendly environment make it a top pick for digital nomads looking for both efficiency and culture. Next, we head to the Caribbean, Barbados. If you are dreaming of working with your feet in the sand and ocean breeze in your hair, Barbados is calling your name. The Barbados Welcome Stamp is a unique digital nomad visa that lets you work remotely from this tropical paradise for up to a year. Besides the stunning beaches and vibrant local culture, Barbados offers a peaceful work environment where you can balance productivity with leisure. It's the ideal destination if you want a vacation-like atmosphere without hitting a pause on your career. Moving on, let's check out Bermuda. While it might be a bit more upscale, Bermuda's remote work certificate program is designed for digital nomads who appreciate both work and luxury. Known for its pink sand beaches and crystal clear waters, Bermuda offers a distinctive blend of natural beauty and professional support. The island boasts high-speed internet and plenty of cozy spots to work from, whether you are in a chic cafe or a beachfront bungalow. It's a great choice if you are looking for an exclusive, inspiring setting to fuel your creativity. Now, let's head over to Croatia, a rising star among digital nomads. Croatia is famed for its breathtaking coastal scenery, historic towns, and a rapidly growing digital nomad community. The country has recently introduced a digital nomad visa, making it easier than ever to enjoy life along the Adriatic Sea. Picture yourself working from a quaint seaside town, enjoying fresh Mediterranean cuisine and soaking in centuries of history, all while staying connected with a welcoming community of fellow remote workers. Croatia offers an amazing mix of culture, beauty, and modern amenities. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about Portugal. Portugal, particularly cities like Lisbon and Porto, has become a magnet for digital nomads. With a mild climate, affordable living costs compared to other Western European countries, and a buzzing startup ecosystem, Portugal is a hotspot for creative professionals and tech enthusiasts. The country's vibrant culture, delicious cuisine, and countless co-working spaces make it easy to settle in and feel at home. Whether you're strolling through charming streets or networking in a trendy co-working space, Portugal offers a perfect blend of productivity and lifestyle. So there you have it, our top picks for digital nomad destinations. Each of these countries offers its own unique charm and a supportive environment for remote work. Which destination are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. In our next video, we'll break down exactly how you can apply for a digital nomad visa in these countries. So make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and keep working wherever your heart desires.